Hey guys, I am just on my way to work to my very, very last shift. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I'm so excited. I'm celebrating. I've dressed up a little bit. I'm wearing a skirt for the first time this season. And yeah, like I said in my other video, I am not going back. And to start the day off just right, I thought I'd show you my insane rewards that have been earned overnight since my last video. In my last video, I rebaked 0.024 BNB, and I was pretty excited about that. So when I came back from like 3 hours after, I edited my video, uploaded it, did all of that stuff, and was getting ready for bed, and all of a sudden my rewards jumped up to 0.258 BNB. So I'm assuming somebody joined through my link, and I want to thank you very much, whoever you are. And if you're watching this video, or anybody who has joined my link, please comment below this video. I want to thank you in person, and please also ask any questions that you have about the Baked Beans project. Make sure that you do check the video that I posted last night. It's the one before this, and if you watch it, see if your questions are answered there. Check my documents to see if your questions are answered there, and I'll do my best to answer any other questions. Just make sure you ask me below this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, please. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So let me show you what happened this morning when I got up. Oh my freaking God. So I barely had 3 hours of sleep last night, and I got up this morning, and I'm like, yay, last day of work, day couldn't get better until I saw this. I woke up this morning to 1.378 BNB in my rewards. Holy crap. I'm like, holy crap, this is insane. Now, what an awesome day to start my day. And the sun is shining. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of happy people up there at the hill today. So anyway, I wanted to just rebake this. This will be my first rebake on week 2, day 5. So it's rebake number 1. So let me just click the rebake button. Guys, I'm so excited I'm just so excited about this. This is crazy. So it pulled up my Metamask wallet, and I just need to click confirm. And you guys notice the estimated gas fees don't change much. It doesn't matter, if you're rebaking 0.01 BNB or 1.5 BNB. The gas fees seem to be about the same. So I'll click confirm. Watch my beans count up here. I'm at 15,002,590 beans. Now, once this has finished, you always know when your rebake is done because the buttons turn back yellow and the little line up here stops moving around. But I noticed for the rewards to go back to 0, you have to refresh the page, reload, whatever you want to call it. And if you're on your phone app, you have to go into the little 3 buttons at the top of your dApp. Click on that and then click the refresh. And if the refresh doesn't work, just go back to your browser and type in bakedbeans.io. So anyway, now you can see that my rewards are back to 0.000 BNB. And I now have 46 million. God, I should be wearing my glasses. 46,499,549 beans. This is rebake number 1. I can't wait to see what happens on the 7th day when I eat my beans. And I'll tell you what, when you see those rewards in there, it's pretty tempting to just want to eat beans before the 6-to-1 strategy is done for the week. I was so tempted, but I'm going to be patient and I'm going to wait because every time I rebake, now my rewards are just getting higher and higher and higher. So that's it. I have to go to work. It's a little bit after 9. I have to go to work, be there by 10. I have to drive up a steep, twisty, windy road to get to work. And so I will see you in the rest of the video later, okay? I hope you have an awesome day. Bye. 15 hours later. Well, guys, I am back from work and I'm officially unemployed. And I'm not crying at all. I am so freaking happy. I can't tell you how happy I am. It's 15 hours since I recorded the first session of the video. And it's just after midnight. Yep, long day at work. I'm done. That's it. Don't have to go back. It's a choice. And I'm very excited to just be able to focus on my online business and life, you know, because what's life if you don't get to play in it? Okay. So anyway, I am back in my baked beans account, and I just wanted to show you what is accumulated throughout the day. And this is just how much the minor rewards can fluctuate throughout the day. So I'll just go back here and you can see that I have 0.0191 BNB in my rewards. I am going to rebake them, but I'm not going to do it live because it just takes too long. And you've already seen me rebake my best rebake so far. I did this morning. And I just wanted to come back to you and say I'm very happy that I can spend more time on my YouTube channel. And I'm very happy that I'll have more time to ride my mountain bike and to ski and to spend with you all when you need help with stuff. Because I know sometimes it can take a day or two before I can actually communicate freely with my referrals. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and let's get us to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. And if you want to join Baked Beans, the link is down below. If you don't know what the link looks like, guys, I noticed somebody asked me, where's the link? Well, the link is below all of my videos. So let me show you here, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's not your traditional referral link for like other programs. I'll just go to my channel here. Channel. And let's take, this is my last video, for instance. I'll just click on that and pause it. And if you just go below the video, and right here it says show more, and you click on that and it opens up a whole bunch of stuff. And I highly recommend that you read all of this, because this is about baking beans and rebaking and eating beans. Okay, this is basically the FAQs, but I've put it in the description. So the link is right here. If you click on that, watch what happens. It opens in a new tab, and the link is up. Oh, my screen, it's out of my screen. It opens up in a new tab, and this is the link. And what happens is it opens it opens the dApp. It opens the Baked Beans dApp. And what you have to do is connect your Metamask wallet. If you don't have a Metamask wallet, you have to get the Metamask wallet extension and add it to your Chrome browser. You can add it to your Explorer. You can add it to Firefox. This is not going to be a tutorial about that, but if you just, when I say click on the link to join, this is what happens. And you just need to connect your hardware wallet or your software wallet. And if you're doing it from your phone, it's a little bit of a different process, but I do talk about that on my website a little bit here. And this is my website link right here. So you can click on that and it will take you to this website, and it shows you the first video review that I did of baked beans, right? Here's that link again. This is the link that opened up the dApp. Okay, it's the same. This is not a full tutorial. I am going to do a full tutorial. I actually have a video somewhere in my channel that shows you how to buy BNB in Binance, and I have another video that shows you how to connect a dApp link to Metamask. However, it's for Zeus's Bounty, but it works the same way with baked beans. Okay, so you have to have BNB in your wallet. You have to have Metamask in your browser. You should, or on your mobile device. And if it's not Metamask on your mobile device, you can have SafePal or Trust Wallet. And I tell you that right here, okay? And you copy and paste that link into your browser of your Metamask, Trust Wallet, or SafePal wallet if you are on mobile, okay? I show you here how to add the BSC chain, the Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. And it's a very similar process to add it to your SafePal wallet or to your Trust wallet, as far as I know. And if you don't know, just do a Google search or a YouTube search. YouTube is one of the best tutorial resources in the, anywhere. Now, you have to certainly vet the best resources, but it is a wealth of information. So I highly encourage you to search almost anything that you need to know on Google or YouTube, okay? And then I show you where you can buy BNB. I buy it on Binance, and I also buy it on crypto.com. But you have to have crypto.com on your mobile device, and you connect to your bank account, your bank card, and you can buy BNB there, okay? So I prefer Binance. It's a smoother process, and it's faster. And then here are all those documents, once again, that I did show you also in this video. Okay, so guys, if you really listen carefully in all of the videos, just watch the whole video. If you're distracted doing something else and then you so many people will have a question about something, but it was already there. So I'm happy to answer questions, but I guarantee you the questions have been answered either in the documents or any of my 4 or 5 videos so far, or on Google somewhere. Okay, so anyway, I'm tired. I got 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm ready to go to bed. It's been a long day, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow with another video. I don't know of what, but some kind of an update. Maybe I'll show you how to buy BNB on Binance and help you get set up with the Baked Beans project. And maybe I'll talk a little bit about the staking dApp. So thanks again for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to join Baked Beans, I showed you where the links are, okay? Have a great day, great night, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.